Okay guys, I'm now going to do some wiring up the toggle switches for the turnouts. As you can see, I have one there, and also right around the top of the layout. So what I've got to do is wire them up so I can actually flick the switch from main or to wherever it goes. Now the way I'm actually doing it is obviously with Tortoise switch machines, which are already in there, and they're all wired up, just ready for the toggle switches. So all my Tortoise switch machines look like this under the layout, all wired up. So every pin has got a wire. So when I want to use it, I just wire up the corresponding wire to what I want to do. Now I've done one already, which are I've got a big toggles because I've got spare ones of them, that's why I'm using them. Now I've also got the letter M for the main, so all my switches will be facing upwards, so I know if it's on the main or not. So when I flick this switch down, it will be leading to the incline, which I'll switch now. Back on the main, back on the incline. And so on. Guys, in another video, this wall adapter with its own wire is for all my accessories like Tortoise machines and maybe lights. So I've ran that right around the layout, this wire. So all I've got to do is connect wherever the Tortoise switch machine needs to be connected. And with the wiring I did, as you can see, I've joined it here because this was the end of my normal wire, and then I've put in my thicker wire that goes right around the layout. Okay guys, so normally using the speaker wire I'm using, so all I've got to do is, because these are already under the layout, just too hard to show you, and this is how I would do it. You put the wire in and just clamp it in. Now the 1 and 8 plugs the power, so that's why this is the power for the toggles. So it's in there nice and tight now. And then this, excuse me, then this wire will come out and go to the toggle. Now the wire that is going to the toggle switch for the power has to go, as you can see, I've got 6 points. Now the 2 centre ones are your power. So when I do this properly, it will be soldered. It doesn't matter which side you go on. So we'll put this one on this side. So in this case all I've got to do is hook that around 180 wire, wrap it around that. And screw it up. There's your first one. The second one, the same. Hook it around the wire. So now you see that the power for that Tortoise is now connected. Now it's the other, putting the wire on these other four. Okay guys, now I've got to do my wire to go to the adapter wire, which is for the power, with 12 volts. So I've got to go from this pin to that pin on one wire, and this pin across to that pin on one wire. Now, the easiest way to do that is by putting a small piece of wire for when we start. So I just so there's my first small wire. The same process, just bend it as in a hook, put it onto that. And then I tighten the screw. Like that. So now this one has to go, as I said, to this side, but with the other wire that goes to the power supply. So now I join one of these up. Same as before, give it a bit of a hook. And then tighten it up. So that first one is now done. So now all I do is the same to the other side. So this is, to me, the easiest way ever to do toggle switches. Same again, hook into that one, squash it in. Join it up to the other wire. Hook. that's it. So that wire, as you can see, is underneath, goes to there. That one goes to there. So now it's power, it's got wire to the tortoise, wire to this. Now this end goes to the power adapter wire. Now this just wraps around a wire, or you could use suitcase connectors, but I don't use suitcase connectors. I just go straight onto the wire. So that's now ready to be plugged in. So for this exercise, guys, I'm just going to go into the same one I've done my first one. As you can see, I've got the bare wires there. Excuse the hands. So I just wrap it around that. And the other one will go to the other one. So that now should give me power. Big test. So we'll find out. If we toggle, hopefully this wire will move, which hopefully it should. As you can see. So that's how easy putting in tortoise switch machines or wiring them up. Now if you're going to use like LED lights, say for your signals on top, then you can just, this is what the other wires are for. So you put your signal up on the track and just connect the wires to whichever one they go to. But I just thought I'd show you how easy it is to actually wire. So I've just got a few to do myself now. So I'm going to go ahead and do some of them. So thanks for watching, guys.